In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Squarespace to showcase your website. Whether you're building a site for your business or personal use, sharing it with the world is crucial. So let's get started on this simple but essential process that will help you confidently spread the word about your online presence. First things first, we need to navigate to Squarespace. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering Squarespace into the search bar. Once the web page loads, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Squarespace is a powerful platform that allows you to design and customize your website with ease and efficiency. Now that we're on the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to locate the website section. It might be on the left-hand side or as a top menu item, depending on your interface. Click on Website to enter the main area where all of your site designs and options are available. This section is essentially your dashboard for managing your site, giving you access to various tools and features. Once there, you'll want to find the Preview option. The Preview button is usually located near your site settings or alongside other site management options. Clicking this allows you to view your website as a visitor would see it, giving you a clear perspective on your site's appearance and structure. Previewing your site is a critical step because it helps you ensure everything looks just right before sharing it with others. Sometimes making a few tweaks here and there can make a significant difference in how your site is perceived. After previewing and you're satisfied with its look, the next thing you need to do is copy the URL from the browser's address bar. The URL is unique to your website and is what others will use to access your site. Make sure the link is accurate, as this is what you'll be sharing with the world. Copy it carefully by highlighting the full URL, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. This link is the gateway for your audience to visit your site, so handle it with care. Now that you've copied the URL, you're ready to share your website. You can paste this link into emails, text messages, social media posts, or any other communication platform you use. Sharing is a key step in growing your audience and building your online presence, so don't be shy. Whether you're targeting potential customers, friends, or simply showcasing your creativity, getting your website out there is an exciting step in your digital journey. And with that, you're done. It's as simple as navigating to Squarespace, previewing your site, copying your URL, and sharing it. Following these straightforward steps will ensure your website is seen and appreciated by those who matter most to you. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I can't wait to see how you take your site to new heights. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.